Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Pages and loading the document you intend to edit. Once open, enable View Right Arrow Page Thumbnails so you can see every page in a left-hand column. This is how you will remove pages reliably. Make a duplicate first to protect your original. That step prevents accidental loss. Now focus on the Thumbnails panel. That's where the deletion action begins. You'll use Selection and Delete, not backspace inside the editor, to remove entire pages cleanly. You now select the pages you want gone. Click a thumbnail to target one page, hold Shift and click to remove Arrange, or Command-click to pick non-consecutive pages. Make sure the selected thumbnails show a clear blue highlight so you know what will be deleted. Once selected, press Delete on your keyboard or right-click and choose Delete to remove them entirely. This removes the full page, including background objects, so double-check selections before you commit. You finish by saving the document with Command-S so your deletions stick. If you change your mind, use File Right Arrow Revert to Right Arrow Browse all versions to restore an earlier copy. That's why duplicating first is recommended. If deleted pages reappear or content shifts, inspect section breaks and master page elements. Those can force content back onto pages. If section breaks are the culprit, delete or adjust them in the Format Inspector. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.